Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your privacy page in WordPress and also how to make sure the link in your footer actually works. I'm going to try to keep this video short, so let's jump right in. Let's start at the dashboard, go to Pages, then click on All Pages. And then you should see your privacy page. WordPress usually gives you one by default, so you don't have to create it yourself. Go ahead and click Edit. And you'll see WordPress has already filled it with some draft text for you to work with. It's not meant to stay as is. You'll want to adjust it to match your site. And then right here, if you notice the words suggested text, you can go ahead and delete that. You don't want it showing up live on your site. Now, I won't waste time deleting every single one here, but you'll want to go through the page and just clean them all out. And then as you do, replace the draft text with details that match your site. For example, under who we are, you're going to want to swap in your website name and URL. And if a section doesn't apply to you, like comments or cookies, you can always just delete that as well. One thing I recommend is adding contact info. So I usually scroll down here at the bottom and I'll usually add something like, if you have any privacy concerns, you can contact us at, and then just put whatever email address you want. So that way visitors have a way to reach you if needed. All right, now let's save it. If your privacy policy is still a draft, you'll see a publish button up here. But if it's already live, you'll see an update. Just go ahead and click it, whichever one shows up. And then next, head on over to Settings, and then click on Privacy. And this is where you're going to tell WordPress, yes, this is the official privacy policy for my site. And then all you got to do is make sure that your privacy policy page is selected, and then click on Use this page. It's a quick step, but it makes things a lot clearer for WordPress. Now, before we go into the footer, let's grab the actual link to this page. And so if we go back in Pages, and then All Pages, and then hover over Privacy Policy, and then we click on View, that's going to open a live page in a new tab. And so now I'll just copy this URL. WordPress should normally be able to find the page when we add the footer link, but I always like to copy the URL as a backup. That way, if it doesn't auto-detect the page, I can just paste it in directly. So you can just go ahead and copy it. All right, now let's update the footer. So let's go back to our dashboard. You can go to Appearance, then Editor. And then scroll down to the footer. Click anywhere in the footer. And you want to click directly on the privacy policy text in the privacy column. And now here's the important part. Watch for the blue brackets. Whatever's outlined in blue is what you're editing. If the whole footer is outlined, you're in the wrong spot. So you just want to make sure that the words privacy policy are highlighted. So like that. So on the right hand side, you'll see the link field. Just go ahead and click on that. Now, if it just shows a hashtag symbol, that means that it's not pointing anywhere. It only looks like a link. And sometimes WordPress will suggest your privacy policy page here, and if you click it, the hashtag symbol will be replaced with the real link. But if that doesn't happen, you can just paste the URL with the link that we copied earlier. So in order to do that, all you got to do is click on Edit Link, and in the link box, paste in that URL that we copied, and then click Hit Save. And then you're going to want to come up here and click on Save, and it's going to ask you, are you ready to save? Click on Save again. And now we can view our site. We can scroll down and test to see if our link is working or not. All right, and that's it. You've got a privacy policy page that's been cleaned up and a footer link that actually works. I know it's a handful of small steps, but once you've done it, you'll see how easy this is to repeat for other pages. If this video helped, go ahead and hit like and subscribe to WP Simplify for more quick WordPress tips. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.